Okay, this is Wayman Smoot, and my architecture presentation will be on high-tech architecture. High-tech architecture started in the 1960s as an offshoot to postmodernist architecture, and is often seen also as an extreme form of postmodernism architecture. It values function over form and is founded upon using the latest, most innovative materials to accomplish whatever building that they're trying to build. This includes many types of materials, including glass, steel, and aluminum. These are easily the most popular types of materials in high-tech architecture. Glass is used extensively on the outside of the buildings, while steel creates the main framework. Aluminum is also used to make plating if steel doesn't look attractive enough. And you'll see in these buildings that, say, this building right here, you'll notice that it's made of steel to build the frame and glass all around it. Similarly with this building and this building right here, you can see the steel frame all along it and the glass inside of it or around it. Materials that they stay away from are brick, wood, and concrete because these are very imprecise, bad materials for them to be building with, or at least that's the philosophy around high-tech architecture. Why would I want to be laying a whole bunch of bricks down when I could really be building long steel structures that are easy to build and are on-site, non-messy? You'll see these little bricks on that church building, all that concrete in this structure right here and this wood right here. Look at all that little brick. Imagine all the time it would take to build that. Another feature of high-tech architecture is exposed extremities such as steel cables and colored pipes that are all on the outside of a building. That's usually just a stylistic thing of high-tech architecture, but it's a noble thing to put out there. The founding architect of high-tech architecture is Norman Foster, and his philosophy is the best structure comes from the synthesis of all the elements that separately comprise of a building. And he mainly made this form of architecture because he valued newest materials and wanted to build out of those materials. And these are examples of his work, such as the Hong Kong Shanghai Bank over here, the St. Mary's Axe over here, and the Hearst building over here. And you'll notice steel and glass is all on these buildings. And they're used extensively. But the real significance with high-tech architecture is that it is technology's footprint into architecture and into the future. And that's the real big deal with high-tech architecture. They'll use the latest materials and it just glorifies technology.